Yo, what's going on, everybody? Arts Big T here. And right now, I'm waiting for Mari to pull up. We about to get active. He should be here in like 10-15 minutes. Yo, I'll get to you guys when Mari pulls up.
What's up, YouTube? It's Mari Blends, and I'm back here to go another video.
Yes, sir. Niggas about to get active.
We finna get active right now, you feel me? We outside.
What we in right now? What we in?
We in that 707, man. We in that kit. We in that red. We in that big. Hold on, let me get the key out. I'm the type of. Hold on. You know the nigga that throw the keys in the club like that?
Oh yeah,
yeah, he was bugging.
He was.
That nigga was bugging.
That's what type of time I'm on tonight, bitch.
Yeah, nah.
You feel me? I done missed day 2 on accident, my boy. Hey, I mean not my people. Cut that out, man.
That's all, folks. You don't got a name for your. Let's talk about that right now. What's the name for your people?
Like it's like whistling to you, like whistle. Hold on. Let me hear yours. Let me hear your Hellcat voice.
Best whistle.
Let me hear yours. Let me hear yours.
Trying to hear mine?
Yeah.
Nah, that's bad. Do it,
That's that leg maker.
Hold on. Let me hear one more time. I gotta test it out.
Alright, so now 3 guys in this bitch moaning. 3 niggas in this bitch moaning.
What do you mean by that?
Hold on. Wait.
Chill out, dude. You don't be scared your shit'll spin out when you're doing that on the turn? Huh?
You my brother, bitch. We gonna die together, bitch.
And if I gotta die, my man dying with me. Like, that's just how it is. Like, my people's right for me. No?
Yeah.
Alright, hit a U-turn. RP Dan. Staples, get back on the highway.
Oh my God, it was finna take off like a jet. I know you heard it. Like, I swear, I'd rather listen to this cry to me all day than my girl.
Man, a bitch. Damn right.
We was thinking the same shit. Like,
I'd rather hear that crack cry than a bitch.
don't nobody want to hear no big cry all day. Like, you better get your crying ass on somewhere, bitch. I mean, this kidding, bitch. If I want to hear some shit cry, bitch, I'm finna go. Like, that's a cry you can never get tired of. Like, real deal.
Taking our heads back.
Like, I'm feeling a little like.
A little what? This nigga. Mari, different type of breed.
Okay, then.
Get off on 261 right here.
I'm feeling it, boy.
Feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Feeling it. I ain't gonna lie though, like pulling up in the Hellcat just feels so good, bitch. Like you get out that bit at the G station, you just feel like that. You feel me?
Like that, nigga?
Yeah, bitch. Like you get out.
Yeah.
And they just look like, oh my God, that color is so nice.
Especially as a young nigga too, feel even better.
Like, come get in, bitch. Let me show you something.
What you gonna show her? Your head? Her head? Give her ass a headache. Any bitch you pick up gonna give her ass a headache.
When she hear this one, bitch, the panties gonna drop, bitch. We ain't worry about nothing else.
I respect this nigga a little more every day, man.
You know what I mean, man? The girl get in the car with me, bro. Just you feel me? Nah, actually, now she yours, bro. Keep her.
You don't want no problem?
No, man. I don't want no problem, man. But if your girl see me though, bitch, just know she choosing.
Why you got on custom instead of like track?
Cause track is gonna kill my gas. But track, I don't think it's like healthy for your motor to run in track like the whole time.
Custom, you just got your traction on street, suspension sport.
Yeah, I don't think, hold on, we don't put this in track though. Suspension.
You can't spin as much on track.
Like track is like, I don't even know.
You can't spin in track?
I don't drive in track.
Well, it's less spin because it tries to grip up.
Yeah, like it's just like imagine you on the track.
You're on track now.
It's gonna be hard shifts. Steering wheel gets heavier.
Hell yeah. I can't play in track right now, but I need motor mounts. Motor gonna fly out this motherfucker. Motor gonna fly.
Imagine you driving that bitch go straight ahead right in front of you. Oh hell.
Motor gonna fly out this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, man. I swear, like I get you right here.
Let no keep going straight, bro.
You gonna let me put you on blind date one day?
I'll do it. I want to put on them freak blind dates. Like, you ever seen them freak blind dates on YouTube? I wonder if them shits be capped. Them hoes be going though.
You little horny ass.
For real, I'm not coming to bullshit.
You little horny ass.
What you think I'm coming to talk, have fun, have a conversation? You gonna put me on a blind date, at least, yeah.
You want y'all females to come play with this little Peter whacker. Oh shit!
This nigga's beyond.
Yeah.
That's beyond me.
Wait, why do you wanna be on a freaky blind date?
Why the fuck would I want to be on a regular blind date?
What you mean, man?
Well, I don't want to talk with the bitch. If you gonna put me on a blind, put me on a blind date with a freak.
So what you gonna do with her? She a freak.
Perform. Mario, don't. Let's not get on this. Let's not get on this bitch. Act like it's a first date with me. I'm performing.
How freaky you think you is on a scale from 1 to 10?
Nah, not crazy. I don't be wildin'. There's some niggas I have home that will be out and they'll be like sucking their girls' toes while we out. Like outside in the parking lot of club type shit. They sucking their girls like hell nah. That's a real freak.
You suck
right there.
toes?
Suck toes, that ain't nothing. I'll do it.
Okay, out here, you eat butt.
Nah, you're wildin'. Mari do. Don't let Mari lie to y'all. Don't let Mari act to y'all. That nigga eat it all, nigga. Are you the one that gotta get put on a blind date? Let me put you on a date. How about that?
Look how big he is. He look hungry.
Let me put you on a date.
He look hungry. He get in between them cheeks, boy. He ain't that been like.
Hey, you little. You the one that gotta eat. So what you doing? What you doing?
You always hungry, bitch. You always hungry, bitch.
No.
You ain't eat no butt, bro.
When I get older, I don't give a fuck. You'll let a bitch eat your ass, Mari?
No.
This nigga's lying. Some bitch done ate his ass before. Let me give y'all some Mari exposed secrets. For Christmas, we being honest. Mari done got his ass ate by a grown bitch he was fucking with one time.
Imagine. No, bro. That's. No, we ain't gonna. No.
We ain't even gonna get into it.
Tighten up, bro.
Tighten up.
Tighten up, bro.
Mari, just you get there, nigga. I'm gonna get worse. So. Alright, let's get off the ass eating. So, let's keep this shit PG for the people on the YouTube. PG loading screen.
Keep straight.
Yeah. I think I told you when you see 45A, look at the fucking sign. I'm not the one driving, it's you, nigga. You're the one who's gonna be looking for this shit.
My head low key
Spinning.
I'm lit, what?
It's ridiculous. Top 3 things I'll never do again. I hate these type of cars right here. Fun fact, I don't even like these type of cars. I hate these shits. This is like, I feel like I'll kill myself driving one of these shits. I'm gonna act the ass. I'm gonna kill myself in one of these cars. I'll last probably a month max.
Man, like when you get in this bit, like you gonna speed for a little bit, but then like that bit like it's so normal that you just gonna get bored. Like it's just gonna get regular. You feel me? It's fun though, bitch. It come with a lot of tickets and yeah, and a lot of tires.
Tickets, tires. Hoping that bitch don't get robbed.
Oh no, you gotta park it in the garage. You gotta park in the garage, or the thieves are coming to steal your car. Hellcat thieves are scary.
They'll take them shits anywhere. They'll go.
Oh my god, that bitch sounds so sexy, boy. Look at this goofy. We ain't get smacked, bro.
I get hit with a can. How you doing?
How you doing?
Sex ass.
Hey!
Sex ass. Bust a left up here. We ain't gonna play too much around here.
Oh, I know how that get out here.
Let's not even play too much around here.
They gonna pull up, smooth over, bitch. Take you out the car and all. Ask you if your shit stolen. You think like Like, would you step on somebody's girl? Like, while they in the car with them?
The red key is current. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but if that nigga on a different type of time, you better be ready for it.
I don't got a gun or nothing, bitch.
You can do whatever you want. You just be ready for the reaction.
But if I don't got a gun or nothing, like, what I do?
You
should have never fucked around in the first place. You fucked around and found out. The more you fuck around, the more you might find. The more you'll find out.
Would you take that risk? She not that bad. Not that bad.
Some niggas will crash out about they bitches. Stop playing with these people.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. If your girl choose and you crash out behind her, bro, you just
you're a goofy.
You just a goofy bitch.
You're a goofy, but it's niggas who
like you could be mad at your bitch, like you could tell her about herself or whatever. But like if you wanna go kill a dude or fight a dude or anything because your girl cheat on you with him, at the end of the day, a girl is gonna be a girl. A girl gonna be a girl, and a boy is gonna be a boy. And if you feel me, if your girl make his thing hard, then he's gonna, you feel me?
Not even that though. Niggas don't give a fuck. You can say that, but once emotions get involved, the fucking boys are outside. That nigga's fresh. The other way.
I ain't gonna lie, I done wasted so much gas. I hate this car.
Should've got you a Honda Fit.
You said I should've got a Honda what?
Honda Fit. Shit's good as fuck on gas. You don't gotta worry about none of that. And it has the same wine.
For real?
Same wine. Honda Fit.
Oh, I thought you put it in neutral, bitch. Wait, how the
I took it out of neutral.
Stop telling me, bro. I was trying to
Speak about his man.
Tell Troll get behind your ass.
Bro, what is Troll gonna do, bro? Tell me.
Give your ass a ticket.
You think so?
Nigga, they give tickets for being loud now. For anything. Your music too loud, a whole bunch of dumb shit.
You know something crazy?
What?
You know this little switch right here, you just... You know what that do?
You know where you're gonna go? In this traffic right here, you know where you're gonna go? To jail.
Right to jail, right away.
It's not gonna be a high speed, bitch. I'm gonna stop at the light. If he just get out the car and think he gonna walk up to me with the flashlight, bitch.
Hit it on his ass?
The music too loud and I don't see him. But we gonna make it to the gas station. I'm gonna stop at the gas station.
That shit literally happened yesterday while you're talking about that shit. Literally just happened. That's the craziest shit ever. What her?
Why she looking at me like that?
She choosing.
Make it right?
Yeah, that's right.
She look at me like, yeah, he look good. Like,
that gas station right there. Troll be parked up here a lot, so. Don't even show up. Do not wear no fucking turtleneck. It's the goofiest thing you can do in your whole life. Is wear a fucking turtleneck. Mario used to be one of them niggas wearing turtlenecks and shit to school.
never that.
Don't be one of them niggas.
Never that.
We got where we going, bro?
Where we going, man? You the party, man. What we doing tonight, man?
Let's slide through Ybor. Let's slide through Ybor. Go downtown. See if we see some hoes.
Oh shit.
Hit the crib. I'm gonna get some water or something. Hello. How you doing?
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
What's your name?
Melissa.
Who you up here with?
Oh boy.
What? The red one?
Mm-hmm.
I got that little cat over there, man.
Baddie, definitely. She's cute.
You see the girls going crazy already, man. You know she look good, man. Hey, you need to come hop in that cat over there, man. Let me take you for a little ride or something.
I guess.
Come on.
Let's go. How fast is this car?
Shit, it's about, it ain't that fast.
Okay. What's it like, one of them like V6s or something?
I mean, shit, it's like as fast as the scat pack you just got out of.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's one of those. right there on feet, man. Waiting for you to fuck up.
We don't have anything to worry about though, right? Okay. I like that wine, it's cool. This is a Mopar, right?
Something like that.
Okay.
How you know about Mopars?
Oh no, my ex had a demon.
Oh shit.
I don't really know what that is, but you know.
But yeah, it's just like,
This sounds better.
yeah, that demon ain't talking about nothing. This one costs more and all. It's faster and all that.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
So where are we going?
To the G station. Just gonna cut me off like that. My tent so fucking dark. It gets scary in this bed.
Sounds like it's gonna break.
Supercharger for you, boy.